Hi guys, this is David. Welcome to this video. As you know, Overdrive is one of the commonly used mobile app for ebooks and e-audiobooks. So today I'm going to show you how to install and set up your Overdrive app on your phone and how to set it up using your library account. Okay, so the first thing is to download the app Overdrive. And the Overdrive can be downloaded on iPhone and Android phone. And if you're using an iPhone, you go to the App Store like this. And if you use Android phone, you go to Play Store. Do the same thing. So I'm using the iPhone, so I go to Play Store, click this button. And in the search bar here, search. So I can type in Overdrive. Overdrive, okay. And here is the Overdrive app. I'm clicking this to download. So the download is done, and if I can click this open to open this app, or I can go back to the home page and the icon is here. So you can just click this to open Overdrive app, and I have two options. So if you are a new user, so this is sign up. So you follow the sign up process to register yourself, or if you already have an account, you can use sign in. So I'm using sign up as an example for new users. I click sign up. It gave me this new screen. So the red bar says sign up using a library card. If you are a member of Markham Public Library, of course you can click this and enter your library card info. So let me click this, and in this screen it says enter, find your library. So type in the library name. So I'm typing in Markham Public Library. Okay, and go. Okay, so this is the result, Markham Public Library, and the list is every branch. So I click here, and now you see the logo on the top left is already changed to Markham Public Library logo, and here is the sign in page for the library. So it says sign in to your library. Select your library from the list below and click this drop down list, and you will see three options. The reason for that is these three cities, Markham, Richmond Hill, and Vaughan, their library is kind of collaborating each other, so they're using the same platform to serve the three library systems. So I click here, click done, and now enter the library card number. Okay, so the library card, I'm using my wife's library card as an example. So this is the Markham Public Library card. At the back, this small number under the barcode is the library card number. Don't use this number. This is a telephone number. Okay, so I'm typing in this. Okay, so 37. Okay, and the PIN and signing. Okay, so signing in process. We already signed in the Overdrive app, and here you see on the screen they have this plus sign, and under it says I add a library. What it means is actually the Overdrive app is very commonly used among library systems. So you can use one app to add multiple libraries in one app. So in that case, you don't have to change from app to app. You just use one app and change the library systems. Okay, so I'm using here, click add a library, and they said find a library by name, city, or postcode. Again, I'm typing in the library name, Markham Public Library, and such. This card is registered at Thornhill Community Center Library. So I click here. Okay, and again, they want you to choose the library systems. I click Markham Public Library. I understand that in Overdrive app, you need to sign in multiple times. It's a little bit complicated, but the good side is you only need to do once initial setting. Once you set up, you don't have to do this again. Okay, so let me click here. Already have a card. Again, select your library, and again, card number, PIN number again, and sign in. So you're already signed in the Markham Public Library account, and you can browse what we have. Another thing you need to pay attention is on the top of the book cover page. This says waitlist, meaning currently is not available. So you can put yourself on the wait list and place a hold. I will browse down to find an example where it says available. See here? That's different now. So this book, Little Woman, it's available, and here it says borrow. Okay, let me use one example. Let me use this book as an example. I just randomly pick any example. It says available, so I can borrow. So I can click OK, and I click borrow button. Make sure you press this download button, because if you do not click the download button, the book is under your account but not downloaded on your device. Click this three lines, and if you want to read, click bookshelf. You see, so the book is on your bookshelf. Okay, so I can click this.
Blackstone Audio presents Astrophysics for People in a Hurry.
So that's it. If you want to go back to the menu and bookshelf, just click menu, bookshelf, and you'll come back. You can just add a title. They'll bring you back to the catalog. If you have a book in mind you want to search, see here, search. So click here. Click here and type in the name of the author, name of the book, or any keywords to search the book. Alright, so that's basically how to use the Overdrive to read electronic materials of Markham Public Library.